We are at the Exposition Center at the New York State Fairgrounds, which is in Syracuse, New York, for an RV show. It's January 7th.
Yep.
It's chilly.
But what else is better to do in the cold is to go look at campers.
That's right. We're meeting our friends from out east. It's halfway between us both. So we get to see some great friends. We get to see some great campers, hopefully. Find out what's new, what's coming. But we need to get inside because it's chilly. So we'll see you inside.
Our friends are lost. So we're spending some time going through some of the used inventory they have outside. Like Kevin said earlier, it is a freezing cold day. I can't wait to get inside, and the phone just went off again.
Yep. It's not much warmer inside these campers. Yay!
Okay.
This one's a Cougar by Keystone. Nothing other than the fact that we just kind of popped inside really fast. But here we are.
Kevin's standing up on a concrete barrier looking for our friends. He's on lookout.
Camping World, RVs.com, the ultimate RV show. Welcome. Thursday through Sunday. Can already see some stuff inside. We gotta go check it out. Step inside to the ultimate RV giveaway and show. There is campers upon campers upon campers. We gotta check out the lounge upstairs. If you fill out the form via VIP, you get to experience the lounge on the second floor. Which really isn't that much, but you get the aerial view of this whole spot. The VIP lounge gives you amazing things like teeny bottles of water and bags of chips and pretzels. That's it. Of course, it's free. You don't have to do anything. But if you look close enough, there are friends down there. Hi, everybody. They are not VIPs like we are, unfortunately. But this is pretty cool. Like I say, if you're looking for a camper, motorhome, fifth wheel, Class C, pop-up, you name it, this has a lot of name brands, Cougars, you know, Colemans, Montanas, but not a lot in the line of accessories. But glad we came. There's Amy chugging down a bottle of water. VIP lounge. So if you're looking for a camper, there's tons. But if you're looking for what's the latest and greatest when it comes to new and camping, like accessories and stuff, this is not the place to go. Row after row after row after row. They've got a section for fifth wheels. They've got a section for motorhomes. They've got a section for traveler trailers. If you are in the market, this is like the place to be. Probably not the best time to buy, but everything seems so expensive. Looking at price tags on these things in the $50,000 to $60,000 range for like the traveler trailers. Some of these fifth wheels are $100,000-ish. Whew. Like I mentioned before, we're here with our friends. They just bought a brand new camper a year ago. They're already talking about trading it in for a fifth wheel, but who knows? We'll see.
Where's your microphone?
It's in my pocket. I don't have the thingy.